Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on Tom Redcombe Road now, and we're going towards downtown Kingston, so we're going to be going on to Camp Road and then South Camp Road. Now straight ahead is the Liquor Theatre, and that's where they have a lot of plays and very popular facility. And beside it, where you see that pink and yellow and green building, that's actually the headquarters for the library service in Jamaica. I don't think the library is as popular as it used to be, because you have the internet now, and if you need to do any research, you're going on to Google. But this is the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Library. Well, a lot of people refer to it as Tom Redcombe Library because it's on Tom Redcombe Road. And the head office for the Jamaica Library Service is over there. Alright, on the left is Up Park Camp, and that's the largest military base in Jamaica. So we're actually going on to Camp Road now. And where you see this gate, that used to be the entrance to the JDF facility, Up Park Camp. But it was moved because the camp is like a city in itself. Have a lot of persons over there, thousands of people, and over time, basically the army is being deployed a lot more in Jamaica now. Daily they're being deployed to help the police to maintain law and order. So this is a new gate. It's called the Cannonball Gate. Very nicely done. You like to see the progress in Jamaica. So you have soldiers going in and out of this camp daily, hourly, all over the place. So they outgrew the entrance that we saw earlier, and so this new entrance was built, and the entire fence has been changed to give it like a new look. But we have videos of Up Park Camp where we actually toured the actual base, and you guys can search the channel and look for it. Here you can see this is the fence I was talking about. It was given a facelift basically. Very nicely done. And this is the largest base. This is actually the headquarters for the JDF, which is the Jamaica Defense Force. Now on the left is a prison. I think this is what the prison is called, Gun Court. And ironically, you have a prison right beside the army base. And you think that's ironic. So you have the army base, then you have the prison, and then on the other side of the prison is now Hammond Barracks for the Jamaica Constabulary Force. But maybe when you think about it, maybe it's a good idea, because if the prisoners try to escape to the left, they come on to the army base. If they try to escape on the right, they come on to the JCF base, which is Hammond Barracks. So maybe it was strategic. So on the left, all the way down to the stoplight now, is the Jamaica Constabulary Force Hammond Barracks. So we are on Camp Road. When we go over the light, we're going to go on to South Camp Road. Okay, we were actually in the lane to turn. It's a very tricky intersection. Okay, so on the right now you have a lot of car dealerships. You have Mercedes-Benz, you have Mitsubishi, you have Suzuki. I think they're all, I'm not sure, but I think all the dealerships belong to the same company. Alright, so straight ahead now is the famous Sabina Park, which is one of the best cricket grounds in Jamaica, probably in the Caribbean. Parking is a serious problem when you're trying to use this facility, but the grounds are actually very nice. They have stands, lights, very nicely done. Alright, so we're on South Camp Road now. Now on the right is North Street, and North Street is famous for the schools on it, the St. George's College and Kingston College. And whenever they play football, they always say the battle for North Street. Okay, on the left now is the Jamaica Post. That's the head office or the clearing office for the postal service. Now somebody left a comment, a subscriber, which I thought was very funny. He said he would mail a letter from the US to Jamaica to his family, and then he would visit Jamaica, say 4 weeks later, and his family still did not receive the letter. He would spend 2 weeks in Jamaica and then go back, and when he was leaving, his family still wouldn't receive the letter. And a few weeks after returning, this is probably like weeks now, his family would eventually get the letter. So we're talking about months, weeks before the letter would reach. But I don't think it's that bad anymore. Maybe back in the day. I mean, there's a lot less mail being sent now. So with WhatsApp and email, but I just thought that was funny. It would take over 6 to 8 weeks for the letter to reach. Hopefully those days are done. Alright, so if we turn right here, we would go towards Parade in downtown Kingston. And if we turn left, we'd go towards Windward Road, which would take you to the airport. Alright, we're now entering the Raytown community. And this is in central Kingston. There's also another prison down here, which is GP, the General Penitentiary. So this road actually has 2 prisons on it. Army base and the Hammond Barracks for the JCF. And a lot of persons are always mixing up Camp Road with South Camp Road. Basically, people just think the entire road is South Camp Road. Alright, straight ahead now you're going to see a very nice view of the Kingston Harbour. Very nicely done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.